A dressing room at MGM Studios, Culver City, California. The call sheet says filming starts at 6 a.m. By 5:15, every actress on the lot is already in the chair. Not the makeup chair, the other chair, the one nobody photographed, the one that happened before the cameras, before the powder, before the lights. A woman named Hedvig, no last name in any studio record, just Hedvig, moves through the dressing rooms with a small glass bowl and a worn cotton cloth. She works quickly. She does not speak. She has been doing this since 1931. What is in the bowl costs 7 cents. What it does to a woman's face in 15 minutes costs $300 in any Beverly Hills clinic today. MGM called it the morning treatment. They never put it in writing. They never let it leave the lot. When a columnist from Photoplay magazine asked Lana Turner what she used on her skin, Turner smiled and said, "Cold water and good genes." She was lying. Every woman in that building was lying, because Hedvig had asked them to. These are the 12 face treatments Hollywood used every single morning and quietly kept from every woman in America for over 30 years. Hit subscribe. Because what is coming after this will make your bathroom cabinet look like a very expensive mistake. Before we start, here's what I need you to notice. Every treatment on this list has 3 things in common. 1, it costs almost nothing. 2, the science behind it has since been confirmed by dermatologists. 3, a product exists today that does the same thing for 50 to 100 times the price. That is not a coincidence. That is an industry. Count them as we go. Hedvig's bowl contained raw honey, not store honey, not processed honey, raw, unfiltered honey from a local apiary, the kind with visible pollen and a slight wax cloudiness. She applied it to each actress's face with a soft brush, worked it in with circular motions for 3 minutes, and left it for 12. Raw honey is hygroscopic. It draws moisture from the air directly into the skin. It contains hydrogen peroxide at trace levels, making it naturally antibacterial. Its pH of 3.5 to 4.5 matches the skin's own acid mantle exactly. The result: pores tightened, redness calmed, surface texture smoothed. A jar of raw honey from a local beekeeper cost 7 cents in 1947. It lasted a month. Today, a honey-based brightening mask from a luxury skincare brand costs between $45 and $90. The active ingredient is listed as mel extract, the Latin word for honey, buried at position 14 in the ingredient list behind 13 synthetic stabilizers. The ingredient did not change. The packaging did. And you paid for the packaging. Every morning before treatment, Hedvig filled a wide porcelain basin with cold water and dropped in 6 ice cubes from the studio icebox. Each actress leaned forward and submerged her face completely for 30 seconds. Then came up, then went back down. 3 times total. The shock of cold caused immediate vasoconstriction. The blood vessels tightened, pulling fluid away from the surface of the skin. Puffiness vanished. The face that emerged from the basin looked like it had slept 10 hours instead of 4. No product was involved, no ingredient. Just cold water and ice that cost nothing. Today, cryotherapy facial treatments charge between $75 and $200 per session. Ice globes, 2 chrome balls you roll across your face, sell for $35 to $60. The physics has not changed since 1947. The water has not changed. Only the price tag is new. 2 treatments, 2 products you will never need to buy. The honey mask, $45 to $90 replaced by 7 cents. The ice plunge, $75 to $200 replaced by tap water and ice. Keep counting. 1 egg white beaten stiff in a small bowl, applied to the face with a soft brush in thin layers, each layer allowed to dry before the next. As the egg white dried, it contracted. You could feel the skin pulling tight, not uncomfortably, but noticeably, like the face was being gently lifted from the outside. The albumin protein in egg white forms a temporary film over the skin surface. It tightens, it smooths. It reduces the appearance of fine lines for 4 to 6 hours. Hollywood called this the 1-hour facelift. It was used the morning of every close-up shoot, every publicity photograph, every appearance in front of a camera. An egg cost 3 cents in 1947. One egg white treated the full face twice. The firming serum category is now worth $4.2 billion globally. The primary marketing claim of every product in that category is identical to what an egg white does for free. The egg has not changed. The serum has not changed the result. Only the price has changed. 2 thin cucumber slices placed over closed eyes. Beneath each slice, a cotton pad soaked in cold whole milk. Left in place for 15 minutes while the actress lay still in the chair. The cucurbitacins and flavonoids in cucumber reduced inflammation in the thin skin around the eye. The lactic acid in cold milk gently exfoliated and brightened the dark pigmentation underneath. The cold temperature constricted the blood vessels and reduced puffiness. 3 mechanisms working simultaneously. Total cost, pennies. Today, the eye treatment category is one of the fastest-growing segments in skincare. Eye creams range from $30 to $350. Eye patches sell for $5 to $8 per single use. The cucumber still costs 40 cents at any grocery store. The milk is already in your refrigerator. Hedvig used both every single morning on women whose faces appeared on screens 40 feet tall. Nobody ever saw a puffy eye in a 1940s film. Now you know why. After the mask came the toner, not from a bottle with a label. From a small glass she mixed herself each morning. 3 parts rose water, 1 part glycerin, 2 drops of witch hazel. Applied with a cotton pad in upward strokes from the jawline to the temples. The rose water carried antioxidants that slowed oxidative damage to skin cells. The glycerin drew moisture from the air and locked it against the skin surface, the same mechanism as every hydrating serum sold today. The witch hazel tightened pores without stripping the acid mantle. All 3 ingredients were available at any pharmacy in 1947. Total cost for a month's supply, 38 cents. Today, a hydrating essence toner with glycerin as the second ingredient and rose extract at position 8 sells for $42 to $78. The formulation has not improved. The science has not advanced. The price has simply been multiplied. 5 treatments, 5 product categories eliminated: firming serums, eye creams, hydrating toners, cryotherapy, brightening masks, gone, replaced by things already in your kitchen. Here is what I need you to sit with. These treatments were being used on the most photographed faces in the world. Faces that appeared in close-up on screens 40 feet wide under lights that showed every pore, every line, every imperfection. And the women running those treatments were using honey, eggs, cucumbers, and rosewater, not because that was all they had, because that was all they needed. A single cotton pad, dipped in raw apple cider vinegar diluted with 2 parts water, held against a blemish or dark spot for 60 seconds. Once a day. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar acts as a mild alpha-hydroxy acid, the same class of chemical exfoliant used in professional peels. At the diluted concentration Hedvig used, it accelerated cell turnover at the spot site without irritating the surrounding skin. Dark spots faded within 2 weeks. Active blemishes dried and healed without scarring. The dark spot corrector market is currently worth over $1.8 billion. The active ingredient in the majority of products in that category is glycolic acid or lactic acid, both alpha-hydroxy acids performing the identical chemical function as diluted apple cider vinegar. A bottle of Bragg apple cider vinegar costs $4 and lasts 3 months. The dark spot serum, it replaces cost between $35 and $120. Hedvig knew the chemistry before it had a name. She just called it Vinegar. Once a week, not daily. That distinction mattered to Hedvig, and it matters now. 2 tablespoons of finely ground rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, enough warm water to form a paste, worked across the face in small circular motions for 2 minutes, left on for 5, rinsed with cool water. The avenanthramides in oatmeal are among the most potent anti-inflammatory compounds found in any natural ingredient. The physical texture of the ground oats provided mechanical exfoliation without micro-tears, the damage that aggressive scrubs cause and that the gentle exfoliant category was invented to fix. The honey simultaneously moisturized while the oats cleared. A canister of rolled oats cost 19 cents in 1947 and lasted weeks. The gentle exfoliant market sells the same oat-based chemistry and products ranging from 18 to 75. Colloidal oatmeal is simply finely ground oats given a clinical name and a laboratory label. Your grandmother had it in the kitchen canister. The industry put it in a frosted glass jar and charged you $55 every night before leaving the studio. Not in the morning. Hedvig was specific about this. A clean mascara wand or small brush dipped in cold-pressed castor oil, combed through the lashes from root to tip, stroked across the brow hairs in the direction of growth. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil penetrates the hair follicle and increases circulation to the root. Increased circulation means more nutrient delivery to the follicle, thicker, stronger, faster-growing hair. Over 6 weeks of nightly application, the actress's lashes thickened visibly. Gaps in brows filled. The hair that heavy stage makeup and daily removal had thinned began to return. A small bottle of cold-pressed castor oil cost 11 cents in 1947 and lasted 2 months. The lash serum industry is currently worth $1.6 billion. The leading prescription lash serum costs $120 to $150 per month. It works by increasing blood flow to the hair follicle, the identical mechanism as ricinoleic acid. The side effects of the prescription serum include permanent iris darkening and eyelid skin discoloration. The side effects of castor oil are that your lashes grow 7 down. Let me say the number out loud. The treatments we have covered so far replace products with a combined retail value of over $500 per month. Honey mask, $65. Ice plunge, $150 per session. Egg white serum, $78. Eye treatment, $45. Toner, $52. Spot corrector, $89. Lash serum, $120. Total, $580. Hedvig's weekly supply costs less than $2. The women whose faces sold millions of dollars in movie tickets were maintained on ingredients from a kitchen and a pharmacy shelf. The industry needed you not to know this. It needed you to believe that what worked for them could not possibly work for you. It was wrong, the last step of every evening, after everything else had been applied and absorbed. A fingertip amount of plain petroleum jelly, Vaseline, the original, the white one, in the blue-lidded jar, pressed lightly over the entire face, not rubbed in, pressed. The petroleum jelly does not penetrate the skin. It sits on top and forms an occlusive barrier, preventing transepidermal water loss while every other treatment applied that night continues absorbing. Dermatologists now call this technique slugging. It went viral on social media in 2021 as if someone had just discovered it. Beauty editors called it a revolutionary new skincare trend. Hedvig was doing it in 1931. A jar of Vaseline cost 19 cents and lasted 6 months. The overnight barrier repair cream category, which does exactly what petroleum jelly does, ranges from $40 to $380 per jar. The jar has not changed. The science has not changed. The name changed, and they charged you $380 for the new name. 2 bags of green tea steeped in hot water for 5 minutes, removed from the water, allowed to cool completely. Then pressed gently against any area of redness or irritation on the face. The epigallocatechin galate, EGCG, in green tea is one of the most studied antioxidant compounds in dermatological research. It reduces inflammatory cytokine activity in skin cells. In plain language, it turns down the redness signal at the cellular level. A box of green tea cost 15 cents for 20 bags in 1947. The redness relief and calming serum categories are now worth over $800 million combined. The majority of products in both categories list green tea extract, EGCG, as a primary active ingredient. You are buying a used tea bag at a 10,000% markup. Hedvig just used the actual tea bag. Twice, because she was practical, once a week. Half a fresh lemon, dipped in white granulated sugar, rubbed gently across the lips in small circles for 60 seconds. The sugar provided physical exfoliation, removing the dry outer layer of skin. The citric acid in the lemon accelerated cell turnover beneath. The natural fruit oils moisturized as they worked. After rinsing, lips that looked fuller, smoother, and more defined without filler, without liner, without anything artificial. The lip treatment and lip plumping market is worth $600 to $20 million. Chemical exfoliant lip masks sell for $18 to $45 per application. A lemon costs 30 cents. The sugar is already in your kitchen. Hedvig did this every Thursday evening. Every actress on the lot had perfect lips by Friday morning. Nobody asked where they came from. Here's the one that was never in any document. The one her daughter described from memory in an interview in 1989. Every morning, before the honey, before the ice, before any of it, Hedvig made each woman sit in the chair and breathe. 30 seconds of stillness, eyes closed, hands flat on the thighs. She said the face shows everything the body holds, her daughter remembered. She said you cannot treat the outside while the inside is still racing. It was not mystical. It was practical. Cortisol, the stress hormone, is now known to directly accelerate collagen breakdown, increase skin inflammation, and disrupt the skin barrier. Every dollar spent on anti-aging skincare is fighting a battle that cortisol is winning from the inside. Hedvig did not know the word cortisol, but she knew that a woman who sat still for 30 seconds before treatment held her results longer than a woman who rushed. She never wrote it down because she did not think it was a trick. She thought it was obvious. 30 seconds, no product required, the most powerful thing on this entire list. 12 treatments, used every morning on the most photographed faces of the 20th century. Total monthly cost, less than $2. Hedvig worked at MGM for 24 years. She never gave an interview. She never sold a product. She never wrote a book. When the studio moved to synthetic cosmetics in the early 1960s, her contract was quietly not renewed. She went home to her kitchen in Pasadena. She kept using the same treatments on herself until she was 88. Her daughter said she had the skin of a woman 30 years younger. One bowl, one cloth. Ingredients from the kitchen and the pharmacy shelf. The secret was never the formula. The secret was that it was never supposed to be a secret at all. Someone just decided it was more profitable that way. If you want more of what they tried to keep from you, the next video is already waiting.